Antique Snowmobile Club of America's traveling museum at our show today. Let's take a look at this. Spirit of 76. Wow, this is the old concept sled they came up with. It had a rotary engine, twin tracks. Pretty damn cool. Pretty cool. I like the airfoil on the back. That must be to keep it from taking off, right? Sure. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Oops. Check out the shock system. That's some wacky stuff, huh? They got a nice museum here. A nice trailer. They got well decorated.